Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing on the Apple Watch Series 4. I'm not going to chit chat too much today. I'm going to try to keep this video super short and just open it up with you guys. So yeah, let's jump right in. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. So this is what it looks like, and the strap is right here, separate from the Apple Watch. Before they used to put the strap inside here, but I guess they're doing things a little different. How cute is the inside of this packaging? It has the cute little Apple Watches everywhere. And yeah, as you can see right here, it shows the gold because I did end up getting the gold Apple Watch Series 4. So I'm gonna open it up and show you guys what it looks like inside. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So it has like a little sleeve. They never did this in the past before, but this is kind of cute. If you're not using your watch, you can put this on and protect it. As you can see, I did get the one without cellular data. I didn't want to spend extra money on getting the cellular data, and also you have to pay monthly. I think it's like $10 extra, which I don't really need it because I usually have my phone anyway. So yeah, I just ended up going with this one, and I'm gonna take it out of the little sleeve. And this is what the watch looks like. I'm gonna put it side by side next to my old Apple Watch, which is the Series 2. See if I can turn this on here. Yeah, I think it's completely dead. But as you can see, they're almost the same size. The screen is a lot bigger now. It goes to the edges, and this one was kind of like a square. But this is what they look like side by side. And yeah, this one I actually sold, so I'm going to be shipping it out today. I'm going to put this aside and show you guys what else is in here. It brings the charger. This is the little charger that the Apple Watch goes on. It has like a little magnet, and it also brought a little charging cube, charging square, whatever you call it. And I'm going to go ahead and open up the watch strap. So I ended up getting this watch strap because I do already have the other one that was the next option. I think this one's called the Sport Loop in pink sand. So this one's pretty much still brand new, so I ended up going with this one because it has the matching like gold color on here. So I'm gonna open this up, show you guys what the strap looks like as well. So this is what the strap looks like. I usually go with the smaller size because I have a very small wrist. Sorry if you guys hear my puppy in the back. She's curious on what I'm doing. So I'm gonna just, let's see. And this one goes up top. So while I set that up, I'm just gonna put it on so you guys can see the size. This is the 40mm one. I have a small wrist, so I always choose the smaller size. I just think it looks better on me. And this is what it looks like. It actually does feel a little bigger than the last watch, but I think they're about the same size, and this one's definitely a lot thinner than the Series 2. So yeah, I'm gonna go set this up and play with it. I'm actually heading out right now to pick up a bumper for it, and I'm gonna try to find some screen protectors because if you have an Apple Watch, you know these things can get scratched up and dinged up pretty easily. So I'm gonna go look for that. But I'm gonna keep this video super short, and I'm just gonna let you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing today. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.